In this video, I'll show you how to set up benefits in Gusto. Start by signing into your Gusto account and opening your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to Benefits to view the available benefit options for your business. Next, choose the type of benefits you want to offer, such as health insurance, dental, vision, retirement plans, or commuter benefits. The options available may vary depending on your location and company eligibility. After that, review the available plans and select the one that best fits your business and employees. Gusto will guide you through the enrollment process and explain the costs and coverage for each option. Now enter your company information and confirm the employee eligibility requirements. Then choose when benefits will become available to your employees. Next, invite eligible employees to enroll. They'll receive an email with instructions to review the available plans and select the benefits they want. Once enrollment is complete, review the selections and confirm everything is correct. Gusto will automatically manage payroll deductions and benefit contributions based on your settings. Finally, return to the Benefits section anytime to manage enrollments, update plans, or make changes as your business grows. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up benefits in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.